The NORDBERG WS10 precision welding machine with tongs at 380 volts allows you to carry out both standard spotter work, such as welding various exhaust washers, wires, surfacing and heating metal, and with confidence to produce one-sided spot welding. Thanks to the current strength of 9,900 amperes and welding pliers with pneumatic compression, it became possible to produce double-sided spot welding, which is not inferior in quality to conveyor welding. The transport trolley has a niche for storing the necessary accessories. The spotter has an extensive complete set, carbon electrodes, a set of consumables, reverse hammers, 2 additional suction cups, a comb and others. The presence of a microprocessor control system and a large informative display makes the setting of operating modes as accurate, convenient and understandable as possible. There is a system for hanging welding pliers with a rotation of 360 degrees. The device is easy and convenient to move with the help of maneuverable wheels and a convenient handle.